Imagine having a tool that gives you a snapshot of the most current and relevant discussions in the world of technology. With Punditas AI's Trending Topics tile, you can do just that. The Trending Topics tile is a dynamic word cloud that highlights the hottest topics being discussed across various online communities. Seamlessly linked to your current environment tile, it provides product-specific insights tailored to your area of interest, whether it's Creo, Windchill, ThingWorx, Onshape, SolidWorks, or another leading technology. For instance, if PTC Creo Parametric is your focus, the Trending Topics tile offers a clear snapshot of ongoing discussions and the most talked about topics in that domain. The Punditas AI Dashboard consists of a set of configurable tiles including Trending Topics tile as presented in the last few seconds. Each tile on the dashboard presents unique perspectives and stories about enterprise products like PTC Creo, Windchill, ThingWorx, Onshape, SolidWorks etc. Using advanced AI and machine learning algorithms, it adapts to your style and preferences. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Using the Trending Topics tile in Punditas AI for PTC Creo keeps you informed with the latest industry trends, tailored specifically for the area of interest by selecting the licensed products like PTC Creo, Windchill, ThingWorx, SolidWorks, Onshape etc. Its word cloud format saves time by highlighting key discussions at a glance, helping you spot emerging features, address challenges, and make informed decisions for improved collaboration and innovation. This feature is your gateway to understanding the latest buzz in CAD, PLM, IoT AR, and related fields, all at a glance. Here's how it works. Every week, the Trending Topics tile aggregates discussions from the last 7 days. It visually presents them in an intuitive word cloud format. The larger the word, the more frequently it appears, helping you quickly identify what's trending and where the buzz is. Staying informed about current trends is crucial for anyone in technology. The Trending Topics tile offers several key benefits. The Trending Topics tile is designed for engineers and designers to stay on top of the latest tools, techniques, and discussions in your field. Product managers to discover what features and issues users are discussing to guide product development. Researchers and analysts to track emerging trends and shifts in the tech landscape. You can use Trending Topics tile directly within PTC Creo Parametric. Stay ahead with Punditas AI's Trending Topics tile, a word cloud that highlights the latest discussions in CAD, PLM, and more. Tailored to your product, it delivers weekly insights, helping you track trends and make informed decisions effortlessly. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.